Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for east central Muskingum County, northwestern Guernsey County until 7:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cambridge, New Concord, Bosville, Londonderry, Old Washington, Norwich, Salt Fork State Park, Kimballton, Birmingham, and Antrim. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.